Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change the country that you want on OmeTV. I don't know how to pronounce it properly, but you're going to go to the country section here and select the one you want. I am going to select, let's say, North. You know what? I'm not gonna butcher that. Slovakia. I don't want to butcher saying that. Is it North Macedonia? Oh no, but just like the one that you want to choose, I'll just choose Austria then. Then just press start and hopefully it's on that country. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And if you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.